friends, are any of you having trouble with your ABS on your trailer? I've been having trouble with the light coming on and it won't go off. Well, it'll go off after I reset it, after I turn the light, turn the ignition off and then turn it back on and then drive 50 foot, it'll come back on. But, you know, it's trouble going through scales. I don't like getting pulled over, but this light right here, the ABS keeps coming on and won't go off as I'm driving along. Found a good fix for that. Let me get down here, back in the trailer. I'm on disc brakes, got my disc brakes here. As you can see, hope you can see that. Right there is a problem. Let me show you. This will pull out. I used a screwdriver to get it the first time, but yeah, you can just jerk on it here. Well, I wish I had better light in here, but okay, there's some light. This pulls right out. Use a screwdriver to pry it out the first time. But, you know, rather than going to TA or Love's or Speedco, they'll probably charge you about $500 to do this. They'll of course give you a new sensor, but there's a sensor. At the end of this, it had a glob of grease on the end of it. Just cleaned it off. What I actually do, I carry brake clean with me and WD-40. I just sprayed it all with brake clean, and then I put some on the end here. I put some WD-40 when I went to put it back in. That way I could push it in. Now I did have to pry it out with a screwdriver, but you know, don't worry, they do come out. But there was a glob of grease on the end. I wiped it all off, then after I put cleaned it off with the brake clean, I put the WD-40 on and put it back in. But anyway, let me show you what that looks like. With the there's a little hole there that it goes in. Of course, I don't have three hands here, so it's going to be a bit difficult to get in. Yeah. Maybe if I wonder if I use the light on.